What up, folks? Sydney and I here on another What up, folks? Sydney and I here on another lovely episode. Today we are about to show you guys some work that our in-laws have been doing on a property that our family manages and owns, and that we're pretty proud of, and we're looking forward to one day maybe moving in. Who knows? It's a lot of work, so we wanted to show you guys here now before it's all finished, so we can see the before and after. So we're just trying to document, you know, everything that's going on. That's kind of the main point of this video is in this documentary. So let's go.
So this is a nice little tour of our neighborhood. This is my usual workout route that I take. I live on this huge, ginormous hill, pretty much because my family has always been into real estate. Not like they're real estate agents or anything, but just in terms of buying real estate and making money from it. So they live in this nice neighborhood, in this swanky place, and they have this property that's right down the hill and around the corner from them. And it's huge. I want to say it's an acre. It might be half an acre. I don't remember. I gotta ask. I don't know. But that's where Storm and I have been living, or were living for a while. So it's this house, and beneath the house is this basement area that was made into a studio, just a little one-room studio. And Storm and I stayed there for like 2 years or a year and a half or something. And then they started doing renovations. So temporarily, we moved out and started living with my parents at the top of the hill. That is going to be my house. Not this one, but that one. That one, the green one next to it. And it is under construction. And yeah, I have to walk all the way up and around. As soon as you walk into the house, there's this little foyer, however the heck you say it, thing. And in this space, there's going to be a little bench right here. And this is just where you take off your shoes and put your coats, and it's going to be so cute. And right next to the door is an opening you walk through to get to the main housing area. So right now you're looking at what's going to be the kitchen. These are the stairs right here, and a little cubby area underneath for storage, probably for more like jackets, like outdoor jackets. But right here is going to be the dining room with a little table and food. And then this is probably going to be a piano right here or something. I don't know. And then here's where I'm going to put a TV in the corner and then just line it with maybe some couches and chairs. It's going to be cute, y'all. Real cute. And this is going to be the kitchen area. So the sink's going to go right under the window. And these are the steps. And there's this little nook. And inside this nook is where the washer dryer is going to go. So the first opening is for the master. And there's the closet. And the master bed is going to go right under those windows. And there's probably going to be like a TV right up against this wall, because y'all, y'all know I'd be bored, so bored. And this opening used to be just like a back porch leading down to like the steps, but we put a pony wall in, and this is going to be the master bathroom. So the tub's already in, but we've covered it up just because we don't want to like damage the tub or get any scuff marks on it. The second bedroom, and I mean there's a guy working in here. There's the closet right next to the door. There's not much to it. It's just a little small room. But the stairs have made for a pretty convenient hallway leading into just the regular bathroom that everybody could use whenever you come over to visit. So there's the sink outlet, and then the toilet pipe, and then the other bathtub for children, if and when we have them. And yeah, it's going to be like towards the front of the house. So afterwards, we're going to go up the stairs to what I think is like the coolest part of the house. And it's this loftish area or attic space, I guess. I don't know. It's cool. It's got like the roof up there. Yeah, totally a roof. And because the roof is so weird, we're able to make these little storage spaces, which is good because this house is in desperate need of storage spaces. And you guys will see later, like, we were really, really missing storage when we were living downstairs in the studio. So we'll take as many of these little nooks and crannies as we can. And kind of in the middle of the room, there's this little walkway that leads to an actual attic space where you'd be able to have even more storage. I'm not going to walk there though because it's not stable, because I don't want to break my neck. So we're not going to do that today, but yeah, a lot of lighting that's not done yet. But I think this part is so cool. Back down here in the kitchen, there's going to be an island that is going to apparently have power where you can plug in things and appliances. That's where the fridge is going to go, next to the window. Yeah, I'm excited for a kitchen, y'all. I'm going to have like an actual nice kitchen. The camera is not doing a good job at it, and it's a little on the overcast side out in the bay, but you are actually able to see San Francisco. It's right there. I promise it is right there. You guys can't see it. The camera's bad. There's fog. It's okay. It's okay. It's there. I promise it is there. Look.
Down here is, excuse all the noise behind me, that's where the highway is. But behind me is where the garage, as well as a separate 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, I guess additional living unit will be under the house. So right here is the garage. Further in here, you'll be able to take a look and see, this will be where, there's another area for storage, as well as I think the water heater and everything like that will be in this location. I believe we'll have a waterless water heater.
Tankless.
A tankless, water heater in this area as well. And so it's pretty solid. They're doing a lot of work in here. And then this is the actual bedroom. In this spot. So right here, where you see this cutout, right here, you see this new piece of wood, and you see this, there is another room on the side of this wall, pretty much. And is where we're gonna go next. This is actually the place where we were before. We were in the studio, which is on the other side of this room, which is gonna be connected to this one bedroom. He's gonna make this studio into a 1 bedroom, 1 bath. And the next side has some pretty good memories. We were in there for a couple years, maybe a year and a half, Sydney, right? Or at least.
Yeah.
And so let's go take a look. Closet that we share, our washer and dryer. We used to have our shoe thing right here.
Oh yeah, we had a shoe rack.
Oh well, it was right here actually. Shoe rack was.
No, that was the chimney used to be right there.
Oh yeah, there's a chimney right here. Shoe rack was right here. And then we had some clothes, a clothes rack area right here. Not rack, but storage, like little drawers.
Boxes.
You'll see a couple of those in a moment.
Yeah.
And it was set up right here. And then our washer and dryer is right here. All of our extra little different things, and our closets right here. There's not much more to see other than the fact that behind this big blue thing, like I said, the cut is right here on the wall, and that's where you're gonna enter the bedroom. But all of this will be living room space. Where we used to sleep, we're like, how in the world, where did you sleep? So we slept, and Cindy can show you real quick. Sid, go ahead, show them right here. I'm gonna step right here. Right over this ridge is where our bed was, or remains, but it's filled with a whole bunch of other stuff. We slept in this little corner for a couple years. This is our little, Sydney would call it love nest. Yes, the love nest. It may not look like it was great or fantastic, but
it was.
It most certainly
was.
We
just
been moved everything, so you can't really see how it looked before. You guys want to see Cindy from back in the day?
So beautiful.
Cindy from back in the day. I gotta open this up.
That's scary.
Oh, you got a whole bunch of IDs in here. We can go through the years.
No, we don't need to.
Okay, let's start for 15, 16, Sydney.
15, 16?
This is right before marriage.
Oh, so young. Look
So
at it.
young. Look at you. You still got that shirt
I
somewhere.
do still have that shirt somewhere.
16, 17, Sydney.
Still good. Still good. So cute.
Come on, look at the glow.
Feeling it.
And then she's a real woman, so she got all official with this little picture. Got the hair up. Got the hair up, the do up. All right, and then here I am. But I got the same picture. So these cats couldn't spell chaplain correctly. So you see how it's spelled correctly right here, right?
Jeez.
Come on, y'all. If anybody's spelling chaplain, you don't spell chaplain like that. Yeah, it's me with no hair. Yeah, shout out to St. Helena.
So cute. Almost here. And we have this fantastic tree. Like, what a great tree. If I were a kid, I would love to climb, fall, and break every bone in my body from this tree. Storm and I could really build a house if we needed to. Yeah. Yeah, we could.
Nah.
Yeah, we could.
Nah.
It won't have electricity or plumbing,
Right.
but we could do it.
Right. Or in any sense, a semblance of a real life.
No.
But hey,
I'm not saying we could build this, but
what house could we build?
it'd be a square.
You see that house? That house is everything you just said.
We could build a
We
square.
couldn't build that.
No, can't build that.
Well, folks, that's it. We hope that you guys are doing well and that you're staying safe out there with the coronavirus. Make sure you guys are doing what you most certainly can do to protect yourselves as well as protect your friends and your family. Black Lives Matter. Make sure that you go participate in any civil rights activist movements or protests that are peaceful, and protect yourself. Peace. Oh my gosh. Peace.